Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Anna, and today we're going to talk about future plans and how to use will in English.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom. I'm really excited to be here because planning for the future is something we all do, and using will is one of the easiest ways to talk about it in English.
Exactly. Tom, let's start with a simple question. What will you do after this podcast?
Good question. I think I will go for a walk in the park. The sun is shining, and I feel like I need some fresh air and a little exercise. What about you?
I will probably stay home and make a cup of tea. I think I will also read a short story in English. It's relaxing and it helps me learn new words without feeling stressed.
That sounds nice. I think I will listen to some calm music while walking. Sometimes just listening to music helps me think about my plans clearly.
I might join you for the walk actually. I will bring my headphones and we will enjoy some music together.
That would be great. I will be happy to have company. By the way, what will you do this weekend?
This weekend, I think I will visit my friend. We will probably cook dinner together, watch a movie, and maybe play a board game. How about you?
I think I will visit my parents. I will help them with some gardening, and then we will have dinner together. I haven't seen them in a while, so I think it will be really nice.
That sounds lovely. I think I will also call my sister this weekend. We will talk for a while, and I will tell her about my week and my plans for next month.
Yes, talking to family is important. I think I will also spend some time planning my future projects. I will make a list of what I want to achieve in the next month.
That's a good idea. I will do the same. I think I will write down what I want to do next week too, so I can stay organized and motivated.
I think small goals help a lot. I will try to finish one English story each day and learn new words from it.
That's perfect. I will do the same. I think I will also practice speaking with a friend every evening so I can use the new words naturally.
Yes, practice is key. I think I will also write a small diary about my day. I will write what I did, how I felt, and what I will do tomorrow.
I love that idea. I think I will also start a short journal. Writing helps me organize my thoughts and plan my future clearly.
And after all that, I think I will relax in the evening, maybe watch a funny video or listen to music. It will be a nice way to end the day.
I will do the same. I think I will also make a cup of tea and enjoy it slowly while watching something light and fun.
It sounds like a perfect evening. I think next week will be busy, but having plans makes me feel ready.
Me too. I think having plans makes the future less stressful. I will focus on what I can do and try to enjoy every moment.
Exactly. And I think using will helps us talk about our intentions and promises clearly. I will also try to speak more confidently in English when I discuss my plans.
I will do the same. I think practicing will every day will help our listeners feel more confident in speaking about the future.
Yes, and I think everyone can start with small sentences like, I will read a book, or I will visit a friend, and then make longer, more detailed plans.
That's a great idea. I will encourage my friends to try it too. Using will in daily conversation will make planning and speaking more natural.
I agree. I think our listeners will enjoy practicing these sentences and feel proud when they can talk about their future plans.
Me too. I think planning ahead, writing, speaking, and sharing with friends will help everyone improve step by step.
Definitely. I think we will continue practicing these ideas and enjoy planning our future together.
And I think our listeners will feel confident using will in their daily life and have fun imagining their future.
I think so too. I will be excited to hear how everyone will use will and make their own plans.
Me too. I think we will all enjoy learning, practicing, and planning our future together while improving English.
Absolutely. I think this is a perfect way to make English practical, natural, and enjoyable.
I will agree. I think if we keep practicing every day, we will all see progress and feel proud of ourselves.
I think so too. I will keep planning my future and using will naturally.
I will do the same. I think everyone listening will continue using will and improving step by step.
And I think we will all enjoy learning and speaking English together every day.
Me too. I think our journey with will be helpful, fun, and full of learning for everyone.
Absolutely. I think we will continue making plans, speaking, and growing as English learners together.
I will too. I think our listeners will feel motivated and confident using will in their conversations.
I think so too. I will continue practicing and planning my future with English every day.
And I will do the same. I think together we will all improve naturally, step by step.
Exactly. I think this is just the beginning of a fun and useful journey with will.
I agree. I think our listeners will enjoy learning, planning, and speaking English with confidence.
I think so too. I will be happy to see everyone using will and making their future plans.
And I will too. I think we will continue practicing, speaking, and growing together every day.
Absolutely. I think using will makes English practical and fun.
I agree. I think everyone will benefit from making plans, speaking, and enjoying English naturally.
I think so too. I will keep using will and sharing my future plans.
And I will do the same. I think we will all continue learning and improving together.
You know, one fun way to practice is to imagine a dream vacation and use will to describe it. For example, I will visit Japan next year, or I will try sushi.
That's fun. I will do that too. I think imagining your future makes learning English exciting and creative.
I will also try imagining my future career and saying sentences like, I will work in a big office, or I will help people with English.
And I think our listeners can do the same. You'll notice your English improving while planning your real life future at the same time.
You know, it's also okay if your plans change. You can say, I will try again tomorrow, and it doesn't feel like a failure.
That's right. I think learning English with will is not only about grammar, it's about building confidence to talk about your life.
Exactly, and practicing with friends or even talking to yourself helps a lot. I will try doing that more often.
Me too. I think repeating sentences out loud makes them feel natural.
So remember, everyone, practicing will every day, imagining your future, and speaking about it makes English practical and fun.
Absolutely. And don't forget to use it in small sentences first and then expand. You will see improvement quickly.
And it can be fun. You will enjoy imagining your future trips, goals, and projects while learning English.
Yes, and you can also write them down in a notebook. I will do that this week, and it really helps me remember.
I will do the same. Keeping track of your sentences is a simple way to check your progress.
I love that. I think our listeners will enjoy practicing in different ways, speaking, writing, and even sharing with friends.
Exactly. And now, if you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share to your friends, and comment below.
Yes, we'd love to hear what you will do this week or how you plan to use will in English. Your comments can help other learners too.
Absolutely. I will read all your messages, and I think we will all learn from each other's plans and experiences.
And we will reply to as many comments as possible. Interacting with you makes learning even more fun.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and enjoy making your future plans in English.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep planning, and see you next time.